Hi, I'm Fee Stevens and I'm here to demonstrate today how to take a bucket of slime. Now the key to taking a bucket of slime is to not be afraid of it. Get involved. Whether you're playing a game, you've lost a bet, or you're just doing it for charity, you know it's coming, so you can always retain some dignity by confronting it head on. Trying to dodge, covering your face, or even wearing something to cover your clothes. That is just not cool. Now here's a tip for all you ladies out there from Fee. If you've got time, make sure that you're wearing a low cut top. That way when the slime drips off your head, it's got somewhere to go. So, shoulders up, sit back, be confident and tell them to bring on the slime.